got a bunch of new clothes and some new shoes. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packages to open up, so I decided to invest more into my shoe collection because of my foot. I definitely don't have a lot of fall clothes. Okay, this is a large. It's very soft. Oh my god, this is so soft. This is a large. This is really cute. I like the material. This is a medium. Very soft. I thought this was very fall-y. This is a cute shirt. Very soft. Got long sleeve. I think you can roll this up. It has a button right here. A power strip. It comes with surge protection. I like how it's flat too, so it doesn't really stick out. We got some insoles because my PT was telling me that my foot is kind of flat, which is obviously not helping the screws and plates in there. So I wanted to try these out. These were super affordable. I did get some more Puff Boy jewelry. I guess I have an obsession now. So pretty. Oh yes, these ones I saw all over TikTok, so I had to try them. So this has 2. So you clip one in here. I haven't used my second holes in so long. Pretty. Yeah. Look at this. I recycle all of this plastic because it pains me to throw it away. These are arch sandals. Alright, these are cute. Has the Velcro in the back. I heard great things about these shoes. These are New Balance 857. They look like they have great support. These are Reebok slip resistant. These are in a 6. I'm usually like between a 6 and a 7. Ooh, yeah. Very nice. These are Tevas. Love the color. Love how you can adjust the top too if you have like wider feet. This is adjustable. It comes with this strap on the back. Yeah. Got some arch support in these babies. Great for spring, summer, vacation. Last but not least, 608 New Balance sneakers. These are probably one of my favorite sneakers that I get. These are in a 6. Yeah, the slip resistant is great. These are great for working in a restaurant or somewhere where you need non-slips. Affordable, black, and just very comfy overall. Yeah, my floor is a disaster right now. I don't even know where to start. Well, I'm gonna try those shirts on. That's where I'm gonna start.